Okay, we've been working on this, and I do have a plan now. So I'm trying to get the treated, 2 layers of treated in there, and I'm wedging up and pushing up and trying to get the second one in, which is tricky to get it even. And I want to leave 1.5 inches or less, because this one can be pounded back. So the reason it was crooked is because of this. So I cut that, and now I can pound that back to even it up. But I don't want to go back too far because I have no way of bringing it out this way, so I have to keep it about where it is right now. So I need to put in another piece here, and then from here over I'm going to have to do something different. And then in here, filled that in, jam this one in so everything's good and snug. This one's not real tight there, but it's filled in. And then part of this was rotted, so I had to break it out and then cut a small piece for right there. There's a gap in there, but you know, it is still pretty darn good. And then we have these plates on here of yellow pine. So we're closing it in pretty good. I'm going to do some concrete work here later, but for now this will be real good. You know, in the corner, concrete work there too. But really focused on getting this closed in. Okay, it's coming good. This is going to have to be another time. This is a problem here, but it's going to have to be another time. I'll have to basically just cap it for now. Keep any animals out of there. I mean, I don't know. I don't want anything going in there. But if we can get to this corner or close to it, then I can I can fill that in or finish that off. Do some concrete work there. Well, we don't know what's going to happen here. We may be ripping a whole bunch out here, but at least get all this supported and get this all ready. Still got the window to work on, but I think that's going to have to wait for next visit. Okay, let's keep going and get this capped, closed.